Hey, what time is it?
It's salsa time!
Hey guys, what's going on? Herman and Juana here, and today we have another salsa pattern for you. We're using a couple of the 6 moves that you need to learn so that you can look like a pro on the dance floor. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. One word all together, /crash course, latindancemovement.com. We have created a step-by-step tutorial of the 6 moves that you need so that you can look like a pro on the dance floor. I guarantee you're gonna be dancing after you learn those 6 moves. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment down below. I hope you like it. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Herman and Juana here, and we have another pattern to teach you today. This is again a variation of the 6 moves that you need so that you can look like a pro on the dance floor. Check it out. Let's start. Basic step 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to ask for her hand with my right hand. Palm down on 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to turn her to her right. 1, 2, 3, go over me. 5, 6, 7. I'll do that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ask for the hand. 6, 7. Turn her. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. How do you do the pizza tray hairbrush? I call it a pizza tray because you're putting your palm up towards the ceiling. You're holding her hand. Her elbow is low, her elbow is down. From there, I'm holding fingertips to fingertips. I'm moving my body slightly to the left, and I create a window. If you can see, we are creating this loop right here. We're creating a window that I go over me. I let that go and go into the closed position. Watch one more time. So I go up, fingertips to create space. I want to have a lot of distance so that I can do this comfortably, and then I go behind the back. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. She turns. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. She turns. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. From there, I give her a crossbody leap. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody leap. 2, 3. And over me. 5, 6, 7. So we got another hairbrush. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. One more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. The hairbrush happens like this. I take my left hand and I brush my own hair. I go over me. And I do that with her hand. Her hand is going to the right side of my face, so I put it behind my neck. I'm putting my own hand behind my neck. Her hand is landing right next to my face. I let that go. It's going to drop onto the other hand. So it goes 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. For the followers, you have to raise the hand with your partner. Help him out. So when he goes up, you go up with him. He does not have to carry your hand so that he can put it over him. You have to help him as he goes and up and above him, and then when he lets go of the hand, you drop it and you put it in his palm. Guys, you have to be waiting there, palm open to receive the hand. So you go 5, 6, 5, 6. So you went from the crossbody 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. At the same time, you're coordinating the hand with the feet. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, hand and feet. 5, 6, 7. So I take it all the way from the top. 1, 2, 3. I ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. Turn her. 1, 2, 3. Up and over me. 5, 6. Close position. Crossbody knee. 2, 3. Hairbrush. 5, 6. Catch. 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Turn her. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody knee. 2, 3. Open over. 5, 6, 7. From here, I'm going to do 3 things on 1. Open up, hairbrush, and ask for the hand. Not in that exact order. Let me do it again. I open up and ask for the hand and hairbrush. All at once. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. After that, I give her a left travel turn, so I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll show you that again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll show you that again. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With a basic beforehand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Left travel turn. 5, 6, 7. So when I spin her, I don't do it across the face. I do it towards me. I'll put it all the way from the top. 1, 2, 3, ass. 5, 6, 7. Turn her. 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7. Crossbody knee, hairbrush. 5, 6. Open up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. After I do the hairbrush for me, 5, 6, I start to open up on 7 immediately to anticipate the fact that she's going to turn. I'll do that one more time from the hairbrush. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, open up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we'll take a basic step all the way from the top. Last time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Ask for the hand. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Crossbody knee, hairbrush. Anticipate 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Inside turn. 6, 7. Now, when you're here, you're left to left to finish it off. 1, 2, 3. You go up and over you. 6, 7. Crossbody knee. And 5, 6, 7. It's done. I'll show you one more time. And 1, 2, 3. On 6, 5, 6, 7. As I approach her, that's when I brush my hair. Crossbody knee. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top. Beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. Turn. 2, 3. Up and over. 6, 7. Crossbody knee. 2. Hairbrush. Anticipate 6, 7. Hairbrush for her. Turn her. Inside turn. 5, 6 over you. Crossbody knee. 5, 5, 6, 7. Last one, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ask for the handshake 7, turn her 1, 2, 3, up and over, 6, 7, cross by 8, 2, 3, air brush for you, 6, 7, air brush for her, inside turn, 5, 6, up and over you, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Are you ready for music?
Awesome job, guys.
Yes.
Well done. Congratulations on making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you like the pattern. I hope you learned these moves. If you're struggling to learn, that's because you don't know the six moves that you need to learn so that you can be a pro on the dance floor. Check it out at latindancemovement.com/crash course, one word all together. It's gonna teach you the foundations, the moves that you need to learn before you watch a pattern like the one we taught today. Because I'm going through it fast. I'm not going over the basic moves, the crossbody lead, the right turn, the left travel turn, the moves that you saw in the video today. So go check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, subscribe here for more salsa content. We're gonna be posting more of this tutorial. Stay in the loop. And until next time.